Alright, let's do this with level 10 Sorceress. We just turned our theme into Ona. Let's go back. We're making our way there to the village. Let's do this. Gorillas. Oh shit, hell yeah. Level 3, Frost Bomb.
Frost Bomb pulses with ice.
We'll start using that more, we got it upgraded.
I can't do that yet.
Yeah, all put together, man. You can dish out some major DPS. Frost Bomb, Flame Circle, send the thunder through it. It all stacks up and adds to each other.
By decree of the Count of Ogham, to the scoundrels and cowards hiding among the trees of the clanless Perch. As the loyal men of Ogham lay down their lives to protect those who support them, you hide. As the women of Ogham sweat and ache,
Increase attack speed. 6% increase attack speed. Dude, I want to get my damage super fast. 10% in critical hit chance for spells. Oh, that's huge too. I feel like that's a good way to go, man. I haven't looked up anything on my builds. This is my first build
Yet another
ever.
wicked
Completely
energy
making it
to
how I
contend
feel like it
with.
should be good. But I feel like this is. I like what we're seeing so far. We're fucking shit up. Monster level 11. We're around 11. We were 10 when we started. I think we got to level 11 just recently.
Wall of flame! I need more time.
Oh gosh. I like this level.
I can't do that yet.
Ooh, here we go. Oh, we're doing good.
Who
Smoke
speaks
them.
to me from beyond the void?
Ooh, we got a mana upgrade. Oh, that's huge. Alright, let's talk to this guy.
Can't believe it. The whole bloody place has gone mad. Cursed cultists. Please, hero, find the other altars and dispose of them. Put an end to
Dispose of
this.
them. I will end
I'm
them.
gonna check around here for any sane survivors.
Desert fire!
Fuck is this guy? Imagine fighting this close.
Not yet. I can't do that yet.
That ice bomb's pretty dope. It clears. You can throw it somewhere and run there, and you know it's gonna clear that area.
You will burn!
Hella damage that area. Make it somewhat clear.
I can't do that yet.
Keep on in it. Sorceress is badass, dude. I really like it.
I need more time.
Oh, do I gotta sneeze in? Wait, I gotta activate it again? Hold on. I think I do gotta save it.
I need more time.
Ice bomb. That's gonna be sweet. Ice bombs and fireballs.
I can't do that yet.
Yeah, I got really good AoE damage. Like a lot of abilities doing AoE anyways. So that was good. Oh, look at this. 14 intelligence and 14 dex. 43 evasion rating. That seems
I
good.
must
We'll keep this
travel
for
light.
now. I wasn't planning on upgrading dexterity, but I don't know. We'll keep it in mind. I might not use it, but might just sell it. But we'll see. Is that it? Did we clear this area? I think we did. That was a tough one. We had ditch out of shit. That was like an AoE, small range AoE test. Just got blitzed. Yeah, the ice bomb and the will of flame though is like perfect for that scenario. I just so happen that it's a good stuff for that. There's probably some builds where that part's a fucking bitch. Can't mad by magic build. Maybe like the warrior or something. I don't know, something less AoE intensive. Even certain mage builds can be less AoE intensive, but what's this? What's this? Strength, dexterity, probably won't ever use.
Not yet.
Yeah, I like that ice bomb, man. Really. Oh! I didn't should have failed. That was 1 second too slow. Oops.
I need more time.
Care to take a look at my humble wares? I can't, please. Yes?
Not yet.
I don't know how far. Hopefully it's just. Well, the checkpoint was right there. So I think it's
Not yet.
just kidding. Check all around here.
I can't do that yet. I can't do that yet. The shadows here
another one, another
undulate
one.
with raw power.
Hold this. What's this? Oh shit! What the fuck?
I need more time. Need mana.
Ice bombs. What the fuck?
Out of mana.
What the fuck, man?
No mana.
Is he zapping my mana? Get off me!
Out of mana.
It's almost dead. Die! Oh! I just killed him. We killed us at the same time. Fuck, I know.
Wall of flame. I can't do that yet.
That your fucking magic when you're
I need more time. Not yet.
Let's go back to the checkpoint. Hopefully it saves right here. Okay, let's do this. We got it. What do we got now? What do we got coming up? Do we not have to fight them? Maybe we gotta come back here after we do something. Is this like the final stage? We're here too. I don't know what's going on. Alright, let's go. Let's find another way. Maybe he just whoops our ass and now we don't get it. I don't know.
Not yet. I need more time. Not yet.
Not yet.
Die, scum!
Alright, scum.
Why, look. It's our local hero. I can't believe it. Please.
I can't do that yet. Will of the Marrakech! I need more time.
Oh shit. I'm definitely doing that. A 10% crit chance increase. Huge. Especially with how fast you attack in this game.
I can't do that yet.
Huge.
I'm carrying enough already.
Oh, we don't need it. The fuck? So where do we need to go?
Fall before me. Not
The
yet.
witch. Oh, I fucked her up.
I need more time.
Oh yeah, that's better, way better. You need requirements for that one.
I can't do that yet.
hell?
I have no space for that. Not yet! I must travel light.
Dex. I might go with Dex. Dex, and then I might get some more dexterity. We'll do dexterity, intelligence.
Not yet.
Ice bomb is so good, dude. See ya.
I need more time. That! Take you!
Nice. +5 intelligence. Oh yeah, there we go. Do we have any? I can't put this in any other areas, can I? Yeah. What is this one? Recovers 150 greater life. Ooh, that's huge. Oh shit. Yeah, let's take that. Alright, let's go.
I can't do that yet. Weakling!
Oh! Dude, thank God for my fucking all my AoE.
I need more time. I can't do that yet.
Fucking wrecking them, dude. Smashing through them.
Not yet. I can't do that yet. I need more time. I can't do that yet. Fall before me. I can't do that yet.
Oh shit! Oh! Watch my health, like I'm sorry. It's too slow. Saw it going down right last second. PC gamer has been slain.
I need more time. I can't do that yet. I can't do that yet. Wall of flame! I need more time. Not yet. Sans, take you.
That was awesome. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna go with a little bit more dex. This would be a dex intelligent necromancer. Well, all my shit is dex intelligence that I'm getting.
I can't do that yet.
Or should I go intelligent strength? You know what? Intelligent strength might be an interesting one. Elden Ring was added. That was OP on Elden Ring. I don't know if it's OP on Path of Exile. Find out though. With intelligent strength, we could dish out some juicy ass massive bit AoE net effect. Shit, that would be dope.
I can't do that yet.
Whoa, what's this? I love the fast attack speed too I got with this wand. I'm definitely gonna need to get that upgrade as well. Super fast attack speed and Pagaya AoE damage, dude. I just want my clearing shit quick. Going for the glass cannon build. I don't know if it'll be a glass cannon in the end, but definitely going for the DPS build. Superior leather vest. What? Oh wow. Fire resistance. Evasion rating 52. Plus 9% quality. Energy shield. This doesn't have energy shield, it just has body armor plus 9%. Let's see. Hopefully this makes us more tanky. I don't know if the other one makes us more tanky because the energy shield. We'll figure it out.
I need more time.
Oh shit!
I'm carrying enough already.
Ancient staff, level 10. Where's this ancient staff? Level 4 firebolt, huh? 84% increased spell. I think this wand's way better. Yeah. Just because all the crits it has on it. Do we have anything to upgrade a normal item to met? Oh, we can put it on here. Oh, nice. Oh, another one, right? Okay, okay. Okay, nice. More armor. Sweet. That's cool. So you could just keep adding those and make items better and better. I like that. I like that. Dude, this region's massive.
We'll open that again. I
On
can't
another
do that
altar.
yet. I need more time. I can't do that yet. Weakling. Not yet.
Holy shit, they got me trapped. I throw an ice bomb.
I need more time.
Ah, I got trapped again. Fuck. Oh my god, right?
I can't do that yet. Not yet.
Holy hell.
Not yet.
Oh! Wasn't really paying attention. Oh, we're slipping up. We're slipping up. Getting lazy. Oh shit, man. Stop that, man. Stop getting wrecked. Rushed.
I need more time.
Rogue armor.
I'm carrying enough already. Pathetic.
That runs up on you, dude. You gotta be careful. That was getting lazy. That guy's basically a mini boss. Stay there. Get hit by the ice bomb. Yes. Holy shit, man. That was hectic. It's easy to get trapped on these one-way passages. There we are. Gotta level up. Dude, it's crazy how big these tech trees are. 15% increased critical spell damage. That's huge. I'm going for this. I want to get my shit like super high crit, super high damage as well. %. I need to go up this way as well.
Wall of flame!
Wall of flame.
I can't do that yet.
Ice bomb. Shit hits so hard. Everything that's in it just gets evaporated. Oh, it's open now. This is the big one.
I can't do that yet.
This is gonna be a fun one. Alright, let's do it. Gotta get ready for it. Here we go. Ice bomb.
Not yet.
Watch that, right? Oh, the King of Mist is the boss.
I need more time.
King of Mist. Is he weak to fire?
That fire!
Just gonna roast them.
I need more time. Not yet.
Happens to tell.
I need more time.
Oh! Oh shit, I'm dead. Oh, you got me trapped. I like couldn't even move, you got me something. Oh. We'll get him, we'll get him. Put me right there, put me right there.
Take it for a while. I can't do that yet.
Alright, let's do this. Okay, so I can't see him. Ah! Fucked up there. Alright, I'm gonna take a break and then I'll start my next video. This will be a good place to start the next video, get right into a little boss fight. Alright, see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching PC Gamer Channel on YouTube. Check it out.